Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jhosfine if this is your first time here. In today's video, we are going to be creating this pink cat crease eyeshadow, and you want to see how we're going to be creating this eyeshadow look, then kindly keep on watching. But before we move into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Tap on the post notification bell as well so that you get notified every time I upload. Okay, so let's move into the video. We're just going to be doing an eyeshadow look. I know we are going to do a cat crease, but I don't know which color we are going to go for, so we'll just see what we do. So for the meantime, let's just clean up these brows, and I'm going to be using the Beyond Beauty concealer, this one, to clean up the brows. If you want to know how I do my brows, I already have a detailed eyebrow tutorial, so you can just click on the link here and check it out. I'm going ahead to prime my lids to prep it for the eyeshadow. The eyes are well prepped. I'm going to go in with this shade, then put that in my crease. I'm stamping on the shade first to get the pigment out. Just bring it to the outer corner a little bit. So I'm going to blend the edges out with this shade. I'm going to blend the edges out furthermore with a lighter shade from the same palette. I'm going to be cutting my crease, and I'm using this flat brush I use to clean up my brow. I need a steady hand. Who doesn't need a steady hand when cutting their crease? I'm going to blend out the concealer a bit more to take off the excess product as well. Blending the edges as well to blend it in with the eyeshadow. I'm going to be putting this shade on the lid. That was the same bright shade I used to blend the crease color out. This pink is very bright, and I love how it looks on my eyes. So I'm going to go in with the same crease color and blend out the outer V with it. Just dampen it on here and blending it in a bit more. I'm going to be using this Ushas Cosmetics gold liner to line my crease. Adding the gold glitter liner to the crease just took this look to another level. Do you guys agree? It looks so nice. Okay, I'm going to move from the eyes to the skin, and then after we're done, we'll come back to the eyes and probably do a liner and something else. Priming my skin with the City Color Classic Primer. I'm going to be mixing these two foundations, Issa Indo's and Flawless Ivy. The Flawless Ivy one is in the shade 708 Ebony and the Issa Indo's is in the shade Ebony. 2 pumps of the Flawless Ivy and same 2 drops of the Issa Indo's. I'm going to blend it out with a sponge. I think the foundation is well blended, so I'm going to use my Pineapple Cosmetics concealer just to highlight. Let's blend that out. I'm setting the concealer with the Flawless Ivy powder in the shade Nutmeg. Setting the foundation as well to avoid it from moving around. I'm going to go ahead and bronze my skin. I'm going to use the Beyond Beauty Face Definer. This is in the shade BB15 and I'm going to use the bronzer shade to bronze. I'm going to be topping up my bronzer a bit more with this shade from the Beyond Beauty palette, and I'm just going to use that on my cheeks. I just want to add a tad bit to my forehead, nothing too much, just a little bit. Blushing up with the Flawless Ivy blush. This blush is so pigmented, so just a little bit is going to do the job for you. This should be fine. Popping that highlight on. Okay guys, so we are done with the skin and I'm moving back to the eyes, and I'm going to put the same crease color I used on my lower lash line. Blending the edges out. I'm going to be applying a liner. I'm using the Pineapple Cosmetics Super Matte Liquid Liner, liquid eyeliner. My watery eyes is coming through, but I'm going to use the same gold liner I used just to top up the liner a bit more. That should be okay, so I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm using this Beyond Beauty lipstick. It's in the shade 1717. Topping up with the gloss. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I went off camera to pop on my lashes and also put a little golden shimmer in the tear dots. This is the final look and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section below, okay? And yeah guys, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did really like this video, okay? Don't forget to leave comments as well, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell as well. That comes after you subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload, okay? And that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.